Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something special for you in this video. Today I'm doing a review of an Oodie, which is wearable blanket, and please stick around to the end because we are doing a giveaway of one of the Oodie's products. So first of all, you might wonder what on earth is Oodie. If you haven't heard this, they are the company that's doing a oversized wearable blankets. They're super cozy and they are taking the internet by storm. They are literally everywhere, and guys, I don't blame people for getting them. Those things are absolutely amazing. As you can see, they're super large, and super cozy. They have a soft smooth fleece on the outside, and then I have a second layer on the inside of a really super warm sheep effect fleece, and it's super cozy. We have lovely tapered sleeves, which is quite handy for you to be able to reach into the extra large pocket where you might keep extra snacks or just keep your hands. It is honestly, guys, the best thing. And I've read some people saying it feels like you're wearing a cloud, and like, guys, absolutely so. They are super snug. It has quite a bit of weight to this, which is absolutely perfect. I get really cold, especially in the winter, horrible days. You know where we live in Wales. It's super rainy and it's quite windy and it's chilly. And I absolutely love the idea of being able to snuggle in on the sofa, whether you're just watching TV, reading a book or doing my blog. You're gonna absolutely love it. So let's now talk about designs, guys. Check out their website. They have designs for absolutely everyone. They do anything from the cat to, believe this or not, to a garlic bread. So I kind of looked and thought, yes, this is rather interesting. I could have liked the idea of garlic bread because I actually enjoy garlic bread quite a lot. So that would have been a good choice. But I also like avocado toast, and I do love this lovely little color. So the designs and patterns there are quite bespoke, so you can find anything to suit anybody's taste. Also, they do a matching design for couples and friends. So if you do feel like you want to match your other half, then you can find the designs to do that. Now the best part is a giveaway. The lovely companies they have offered us a mystery product. Well, it's not really a mystery product, but it's a mystery design sleeping tea to give away to my lovely viewers. So all you guys need to do is you can watch this video, subscribe to the channel, don't forget to like it, and please comment down below using the word Oodie. Just post a comment using the word Oodie. I will do a giveaway last Friday of the month on my live stream, okay? And I will pick the viewer at random. It has to be, unfortunately, UK viewers only due to obviously posting item abroad. So it's a UK only, please. And if you're not able to watch the live stream, please find me on Instagram at Anna's Food Lifestyle, and I will be publishing the winner also on the same day. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Do please check out the website. It's horrible winter coming up there. I will put my your discount code down below in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram as well, so you get to find out who is going to be winning the lovely sleeping tea. So thank you for watching, guys. I see you next time. Bye bye.